Tensor, the total marks 15. Origin of the concept of tensor. The origin of the concept of tensor comes from the idea of deformation of space. Deformation of space due to Gauss. The generalization of differential geometry of Gauss and Riemann leads to the absolute differential calculus or tensor calculus. Tensor calculus. A continuous transformation of a surface preserving some properties is called a deformation. Now, what is deformation? You see, suppose this is a surface, yes, and this is a plane surface. Now you make it a circle, cylindrical surface. Make it cylindrical surface. So this plane surface has been transformed into a cylindrical surface, and this is called deformation. Okay. In deformation of a surface, Gauss has established that the total curvature K is invariant, which depends only on the coefficients E, F, G of the first fundamental form given as ds2 E du2 plus twice F du dv plus G dv2. It is transformable to ds2 is equal to dx2 plus dy2 that holds in Euclidean space of two dimensions if Eg minus F whole square into K is equal to 0. But the fundamental property to be preserved in the transformation geometry of the space is the metric ds2. Finally, it can be said that the concept of transformations equipped with the property of invariance gives rise to the notion the tensor. Here, what is K? K is given by the product of the maximum of curvature and minimum of curvature. What is maximum and minimum of curvature? Suppose this is a surface. Here, curvature here is the maximum and curvature here is the minimum. And product of these two curvatures is defined as K. Next, definition of n-dimensional space. Definition of n dimensional space. Consider an ordered set of n real variables called coordinates x1, x2, x3, xn. The space generated by all points corresponding to different values of the coordinates is called the n-dimensional space and is denoted by Pn. Now, Riemannian metric and Riemannian space. Riemannian metric and Riemannian space. A differentiable manifold is defined as a continuum of points xi where I is equal to 1, 2 up to n of n independent parameters called the coordinates of Pn. The square of the infinitesimally small distance ds between two adjacent points xi and xi plus dxi of Pn is defined by Riemann as ds2 is equal to summation ij is equal to 1 to n g ij xi dxi dx j, where g is given by g is equal to mod of gij is equal to g11, g12, g1n, g21, g22, g2n, gn1, gn2, gn n. Here G is non-singular. This is called Riemann metric of n dimensions. And the geometry generated by the metric is called the Riemannian geometry or space, along with the introduction of the idea of distance, direction, etc. Thank you.